Alright guys, welcome back to Steve O's Fishing. We have some interesting circumstances today. I took a day off of work for the NFL draft, started last night. And of course, it is gonna rain. So it's rained and it's cooled down about 10 to 12 degrees. So I don't know if we're gonna be able to catch any fish today. I'm gonna try. This year, it has proven harder than usual. So we're gonna see what we can get into today. We're gonna try a couple different spots, unless we have success somewhere, and we'll see what happens. So let's see how we do. All right, guys. So I'm at the first spot here, and it is definitely flooded. But we'll see what that means for bass situations. We're gonna get a water temp. I'm gonna put my stuff down. Let's see what we can do. So the water temp is about 54 degrees. So even though the air temperature is about 50 or 48, the water didn't go down that much. So that's good. That's positive here. We're gonna start with the search lure. See if we can't find some bass. This red lipless again. It's shy. I brought some other lipless colors too. I might give it a try if this one doesn't work. A little windy. Ford is trying to find some bass. It's a cold front though, so who knows what they're going to be doing. Oh, it'd be so nice if it was like 60 degrees right now instead of 48. It's gonna be so nice once this water warms up. However, it might be the most stubborn spring I've ever seen. Last year, May 5th, bass were spawning. This year, it's April 26th, and it still might be in winter mode. Okay, so we're gonna try a swim bait. Then we're gonna go to a finesse jig. A little weedy here. What? Here is the finesse jig I'm gonna be throwing. It is a green and brown jig with a green craw trailer with blue flakes. I'm just gonna throw it out here. There's some wood. I think some of these bass might hang out over there. It's here. Alright guys, we're heading to the next spot. We're gonna try a couple different things here. If not, we're gonna go back to the ponds. Just trying to find the warmest water. Alright guys, right here, back at the ponds. It is a little windy, but not too bad. Let's see what the water temperature is real quick before I start. About 54.4 degrees. Try a swim bait here. A little easier to cast over this way. Not as windy right in my face. Wish I had a dark jig head, but I don't. I have to pick up some of those. Oh, baby, don't get off. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh yeah. That's a big bass. That's the one we wanted. Oh. Okay. Swim bait is the key. Little pre-spawn female, see? Mouth here. It's gristly, but it's red. Normally that means that they're going to be biting on crawfish. But we're gonna get a weight on this one. That's pretty nice. Oh yeah. Got 2 pounds 11 ounces. That's a nice boy. Thank you. Pretty much what I was using there was this green pumpkin swim bait and just slowly swimming it. They took it right near shore there. Well, first swim bait bass. Let me get some more of these jig heads. Hanging out right by the shore. Just kind of hanging off that drop off. That's what they're doing. Oh, yep. Oh, that's what they were doing. I just got another one. And it snapped my line. And I'm out of swim bait heads. God damn it. This is why I was gonna go to the store and get it. Damn. Wonder if that was a pike. I know there's pike in here. That might have been. Broke my line. You can see, I don't know if you can tell. It's frayed there. When I run it across, it's like teeth marks. All right, guys. Unfortunately, we're getting rained out here. It's supposed to rain for like the next 2 hours and get colder and windier. So, and I think that's what was happening was those bass, they knew this was coming and they were getting hungry. And so I caught that one, and then I think that second one was a pike. Based on the way that the line was frayed at the end, it almost looks like a couple teeth marks, and I think it broke my line. That was 15-pound fluorocarbon. So fortunately I have no more swim bait heads. So if I'm gonna come out tomorrow, I'm gonna have to make a trip to Field and Stream. We're gonna have to regroup and rethink this situation for tomorrow. Just depends, because it's gonna be probably cold again tomorrow. So we'll see. Had some success finally, and just gotta keep sticking. It's gonna work, and there we go. So stay tuned for next time. We're gonna try to get out again, and thanks for watching Steve O's Fishing.